Good afternoon, everyone. Looking out over Garden City right now, you can see some of those cumulus clouds developing, some dark bases there. That's showing us we've got a lot of humidity in the air as that moisture continues to build with the heat. So it means we could see a few thunderstorms around here today. Hot and humid, scattered showers and storms this afternoon. And then all eyes will be tracking Idalia as we are looking to see some impacts from Idalia over the next few days. Temperatures out there already warm, 87 in North Myrtle Beach, 85 in Myrtle Beach. Georgetown, you're checking in at 88 here at the noon hour. Mid-80s here along the Interstate 95 corridor up into North Carolina, where you're 79 right now in Lumberton. The cooler spot, a little bit of fog up there earlier this morning, kind of kept your temperatures a little bit cooler than everyone else. As we go through the future cast here, you can see those isolated showers and storms develop. And again, not everyone's going to see a shower or storm, but those who do, we could see some of those being pretty strong, even through the late night hours up here along the border belt. Still some showers and storms possible. And we have that level 1 risk of severe weather today for everyone besides the Grand Strand here. You're in just the general thunderstorm risk, but the PD up into the border belt, level 1 risk means that we could see a damage in wind gusts with any of those storms. Let's fast forward to tomorrow, future cast. You can see the stalled boundary right here. That's going to help kick off some heavier rain over western North Carolina into the Midlands of South Carolina, upstate South Carolina, and also bring us a few showers and storms possibly tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. And then as we get through the future cast, you're going to starting to see that rain move into the area Wednesday morning. That's ahead of Idalia, who's going to be moving into our area Wednesday afternoon. And once we start to see the rain Wednesday morning, it's going to be sticking around for a while. So speaking of Idalia, the latest update at 11 a.m., still a tropical storm at 65 miles per hour, pressure 990 millibars. And you can see we have two steering directions here. The high pressure's weak, so it's going to keep it pushed off to the west. We also have this trough developing, so it's kind of like a funnel effect. And that funnel effect is going to take Idalia into the Big Bend area of Florida and then up the southeast coast into our area. So here's the track. Category 3 possible by 8 a.m. Wednesday morning as a major hurricane, and then tracking just along the coast or maybe a little bit inland. The track has shifted just ever so slightly to the west this morning, so that could bring in more rain, more storm surge possibilities for our area. Wherever the track does happen, it's going to deviate between now and then, and eventually be off the coast by Thursday afternoon, and Friday morning it'll be out to sea. So here's what we're expecting by Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, landfall there, and then moving quickly up the southeast coast. And that could bring in some storm surge. You can see that 3 to 6 feet down towards Hilton Head and Charleston. Locally, about 3 to 6 feet storm surge here on top of the king tide. So this is going to be the primary concern, is the storm surge. So if you are in those locations, please, please, please keep an eye on that. Make sure that you know what's going on. Also, some heavy rain out there possible, moderate risk of flash flooding. So lots to talk about. That 7-day forecast showing you the stormy afternoons for Tuesday, and then we get that storm conditions on Wednesday and Thursday, and then it's out, Idalia is out of here, and then the weekend's looking pretty nice with temperatures in the 80s, lows in the 60s.